Hey guys, this is Elias from AK Planes, and today we have the Queen of the Skies, the last Boeing 747 ever built, just landed to my model airport. Okay guys, this is the last Queen of the Skies inside this box. It's by Geminijets. Nice box as always from Geminijets, made in China, blah blah blah. Highly collectible, superior quality. Okay, adult collectible model. Warning contains small parts. This is the most important thing you must read the outside. We will just open it. Here we have some information about delivery. It's the Atlas Air. The aircraft type is a Boeing 747. The serial number, the line number, the registration is November 863 Golf Tango. It has 4 General Electric engines, massive ones. The first flight, I believe it's the test flight is 18th of December of 22, and the delivery date is the 1st of February of 23. Here I have some capabilities of the aircraft. Okay, with the box, cheap plastic as always from all manufacturers, not only from Geminijets. And here it is. It arrived one piece, thank God. So let's have a closer look and see what this model has to offer. So from the nose to the tail, we have some pitot sensors right here, the Atlas logo, the first and the only passenger door is right here. To the top of the cockpit we have the escape hatch for the pilots. I hope they will never use it. The APEC Logistic logo right here. These 3 windows is used for the rest crew. We don't have too many details all around the aircraft because it is a cargo airplane, okay? We don't have the windows, we don't have the emergency doors. Right here we have a cargo door. I hope someday they will release an interactive series like the UPS one. Here is the registration number. On the tail here we have the logo of Atlas Air, the Atlas holding the Earth from the Greek mythology. On the wings are very smooth, nice detailed. The 4 General Electric engines. On the other side pretty much is the same. The Atlas Air logo right here, very bright. And again it is on the left window right here is the green navigation light, and on the other window is the red one. On the belly of the aircraft we have a big Atlas Air logo. The Geminijets is right here, the logo of the manufacturer. Let's focus the camera, thank you. The hole for the stand. The wheels are rolling the correct size. They have somehow movement to simulate, you know, when the wheels are on the air or on the ground. Nice details, very nice touch. So guys, this is the last Boeing 747 that I ever made. I'm very excited that landed into my airport. It is a brand new aircraft. it is a new release, of course, for Geminijets. They've done a great job. It suits perfectly to every model airport that has cargo terminal. I recommend to buy it. If Atlas Air doesn't come with this particular aircraft, it doesn't matter so much. Okay, part of the hobby is to use your imagination, as I'm doing a lot of times. I'm very happy from this model. I will use it to a lot of pictures that I'm uploading in Instagram. You can find me as EK Planes, and I'm uploading it to all the groups of Facebook as Elias Katsigiannis. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I recommend to buy it. Stay tuned for another unboxing review from all manufacturers. Live updates from my real home island airport, Kefalinia Anapolatu International, Lima Golf Kilo Foxtrot is the registration number of the airport. Updates from my model airport, Halifax Stanfield International Airport, based in Nova Scotia, Canada. And until the next time, guys, bye!